Biomedical Signal Acquisition System using MSP430 LunchBox. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Konark Sharma. In this lecture, we will learn about the basic overview of Biomedical Signal Acquisition System using MSP430 LunchBox from Aditya Gola. Upon completion of this lecture, learners will be able to understand the basic overview of Biomedical Signal Acquisition System using MSP430 LunchBox. So, let's get it started.
So, good morning all. My name is Aditya Gola. I am from Netaji Subhas University of Technology, NSUT. I am pursuing MTech EVLSI course. Currently, I am in first semester. My roll number is 2023 PEV 3207. So, my project is about acquisition of electrocardiograph ECG, which is a biomedical electrical signal. So, I fabricated a circuit for acquiring of ECG signal and connected with the MSP430 microcontroller, which is by Texas Instruments. So my project is about electrocardiograph. So we have attached cathode patches to a human subject. So we connected our circuit with electrode patch, and this is my circuit. This is amplifier, and other two transistors are band pass filter, and we connected a electrode cable with the electrode patches for acquiring the voltage of the human. So we provided a 9-volt battery and connected the output of the circuit to the MSP430 on analog to digital converter. So we have also simulated our circuit on LT Spice. Which gives a very accurate PQRS wave of the biomedical electrical signal of ECG. This is PQRS curve for determining the heartbeats or any type of disease. This is a code for MSP430. We have to build the project. So project is built at 48%. Project is built completely So after building our project, our MSP is transmitting data to the our code composer studio on the terminal. So we have transferred this data of ADC values to the Anaconda spider program. In this, we have a code written for plotting graph. We have to restart the kernel to plot the graph. The kernel is restarting. The graph is plotted successfully from the human subject, acquiring from the electrode patch. So our problem statement is the many ECG circuits in the market or hospitals are not portable and very costly. So we have implemented this to minimize the cost and maximizing the portability of the ECG circuit, so it can be available to every house like a glucose machine or BP monitors. So same to our future scope. In future scope, we will fabricate this circuit in a miniature form and implement it to mobiles or laptops and connect this ECG cable or cathode cable to the audio jack, so it can implement ECG to every mobile or laptop. So lower middle class group or middle class group can see their ECGs at their home. Thank you.
Finally, we would like to cooperate with you according to the best of our knowledge. Keep your feedback and suggestions coming. They help us to provide you quality work that resonates with your needs and requirements. Thanks much for sharing your kind suggestions. Keep healthy, keep learning, and keep growing.
KONARK'S Research. Subscribe now.